Hi everyone, my name is Revathi and I am from Tamil Nadu. I have completed BE in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering in 2016 from Anna University. While I was searching for a job, I got to know about Aviation TechnoServe. When compared to other online internship training program platform, I found that Aviation is the most trusted online platform. So I have contacted them and joined for online job internship to enhance my careers and goals. Now I have got selected in QUESS Crop Limited with salary package 2.5 LPA. Aviation is the best platform to get placed in MNC company, and I have learned about CCNA, Windows Administrative, Virtualization, ITL, and Linux. And the course structure was very good, and the trainers are very experienced and supportive. I would like to thank Aviation team for giving up me to step up my career growth. Thank you so much.